Hello crypto friends! Today we will talk about Althea L1, a high-availability hybrid EVM blockchain specially created for infrastructure and communication. We will break down in detail the history of the project's creation, the problems it solves, comparison with competitors, innovations and plans for the future. If you are a fan or deep in tokenization of infrastructure or decentralized internet, this is for you. Subscribe, put like and let's go! Althea L1, this is permissionless, high-availability hybrid EVM blockchain specially created for infrastructure and communication. The project focuses on financing and coordination of networked utilities, allowing to tokenize assets like a mile of fiber optic cable or a share of cellular tower. Since 2018, Althea technology has brought blockchain-activated internet access to thousands of homes, even in the most difficult topographies. This is not just a blockchain, this is a solution for the real world, where machines and infrastructure can automatically settle macro payments. Althea, this is an ecosystem with complementary components, where each is a separate project and community. Althea L1 evolved as a high-availability hybrid EVM blockchain specially for infrastructure and communication. The key innovating element, liquid infrastructure. This is a financing model that transforms physical assets of broadband, cellular and infrastructure into blockchain-supported, income-generating digital tools. The first large-scale deployment took place with institutional investments from Kamur Finance, a pioneer in tokenized real assets (RWA), which indicates growing confidence in tokenized financial solutions. Althea L1 is created to solve real problems, like financing and coordination of networked utilities, without dependence on traditional sources. Liquid infrastructure is already applied in Arizona for regional ISP with approximately 1,000 subscribers, allowing to scale operations with blockchain transparency, preserving local autonomy. Althea L1 solves key problems in infrastructure and communication. This is problems of financing, construction and coordination of networked utilities. Traditional sources, like grants, subsidies and bank loans, are connected with delays, rigid conditions and bureaucracy, especially for small and medium ISPs. Liquid infrastructure solves this, transforming physical assets like fiber optic cables or towers into programmable financial assets on Althea L1. This unlocks access to capital for operators with strong customer loyalty and local experience, who are often excluded from traditional financing. That ends in service, Althea allows users to instantly change providers. Machine-to-machine macro payments automate settlements, making networks hardware agnostic for mobile phones, IoT, broadband. This eliminates dependence on centralized platforms, ensuring sovereign, sustainable financing. Althea Mobile, not just MVNO, but sovereign, sustainable infrastructure with seamless roaming through decentralized grids. The project focuses on $3 trillion plus market of telecom and utilities, making financing transparent and scalable for quick deployment of broadband, utilities and energy grids. Althea L1 unique as permissionless high-availability hybrid EVM for infrastructure, unlike centralized giants like Google or Amazon where data do not belong to users. Compared to traditional ISPs, Althea eliminates bureaucracy of financing, allowing local operator access to capital through tokenization, unlike region grants, loans. In the block, liquid infrastructure provides transparency and automation, which is not in bank models. Althea stands out with hardware-agnostic networks and contract-secure revenue for sustainable development, which is not in centralized systems. Innovations of Althea L1, this is liquid infrastructure and IFIDEX. Liquid infrastructure is a set of blockchain tools, where assets are represented as ERC-721 NFT, fractionalized through liquid infrastructure smart contract linked into fungible tokens. This automates collection of payments and distribution of funds in real time, with non-upgradable, verifiable smart contracts for security. Dedicated block space for L2 contract secure revenue for incentives, machine-to-machine macro payments, hardware-agnostic networks, plug-and-play wallet, firmware. Fully automated luxury roaming with autonomous devices that negotiate service. IFI DEX, DEX for utilities, infrastructure and machines supported by stables like USDC, USDC from Sky, with $9 billion plus liquidity. This is end-to-end stack for machine-to-machine payments, automated settlement and sovereign finances. Althea Mobile, a revolutionary architecture with eSIM orchestration, private 5G with global star seamless roaming. Plans, scaling to gigabytes of traffic in 2025, expansion to 12 states of USA and 4 countries. Liquid infrastructure transforms broadband, utilities and smart city services into programmable ecosystems with access to $3 trillion market. Launched of IFI DEX soon to programmable decentralized financing. Althea Mobile with eSIM private 5G network sovereignty. Partnerships with Bosch, Deutsche Telekom for IoT and Kamui Finance for RWA. This makes Althea a standard for DePIN with emphasis on transparency, autonomous and sustainability. How to take part? Create a wallet Kepler or Cosmos Station. MetaMask. If this is something new for you and you do not know what to do, write in the comments, we will definitely shoot a video about it. Buy tokens on IFI DEX or visit CoinGecko, where you can see the exchanges, where you can see where Althea is traded. Delegate tokens to a stable and professional validator such as our validator VALIDARIOS. The motto of the validator community VALIDARIOS is "You'll never walk alone," and we are always ready to help with any questions. We also donate 10% of our profits to charity every month. We publicly announce this on our X and Telegram channel. So by delegating to us, you automatically become a participant in a good cause. In summary, Althea L1 revolutionary project that solves problems of infrastructure financing through liquid infrastructure and IFI DEX. Without direct competitors, and stands out with hybrid EVM and tokenization. Innovations like macro payments and roaming promise to change the world. Plans for 2025 scaling and expansion. Follow Althea.net and Althea. If questions, write in the comments. See you in the next video, and remember, I'm not calling anyone to do anything, and I'm not giving financial advice. The only advice, don't let yourself be shaved.
Let's go! I run these notes like I run these streets, yeah. Checking the seat, never miss a beat, no downtime, uptime where I eat. Best in the game and they can't compete. I'm steady, heavy, nobody shakes me. Locking the block, who the hell gonna chase me? Proof in the numbers, ain't messing with fate. I'll sign and verify, keep your fucking chain straight. Wake up, boost to the machine, I'm cold. Look around, every move with my posted code. You flex in the club, I flex in the low. Tickets to my name, validators on hold. Serious metrics, the West mode, man. No breaks up time, I'm the whole damn plan. Safety's a promise, the rest all talk. Boss in the system, you step then you walk. I run these notes like I run these streets, yeah. Checking the sync, never miss a beat. No downtime, uptime where I eat. Best in the game and they can't compete. Hotline the bug in the late night. That they in my veins, never out of sight. Rivals try to surf, they drown in my bite. Crash this stack, I launch another flight. Fucking relentless, that's my code book. Fearless in the route, go ahead, just look. Best name in the loud, that's what it took. VALIDARIOS never shook. I run these notes like I run these streets, yeah. Checking the sync, never miss a beat. No downtime, uptime where I eat. Best in the game and they can't compete. VALIDARIOS in the zone, never retreat. If you're not real, get out.